Troubleshooting ExpressRoute connection issues require checking configurations across your network, the provider networks, and the Microsoft network zones. Let's unpack the approaches that you might use for troubleshooting the issues. First thing, you understand network zones. ExpressRoute typically spans three zones: customer network, provider network, and Microsoft data center. For ExpressRoute Direct, customers connect directly to Microsoft Enterprise Edge router, so only customer and Microsoft zones are involved. It means parties involved depends on the connectivity method used. Then you should verify circuit provisioning and status. In the Azure portal, check the circuit status under ExpressRoute Essentials. Both circuit status and provider status should be enabled and provisioned for an operational connection. If the circuit status shows not enabled, contact Microsoft support. And if the provider status is not provisioned, reach out to your service provider. Use the service key to uniquely identify your ExpressRoute circuit when contacting both the supports. Next, you should validate peering configuration. ExpressRoute circuits support Azure Private Peering and Microsoft Peering. Check the status of each peering in the Azure portal's ExpressRoute circuit blade. Provision peering should display primary and secondary point-to-point subnets. You ensure subnets VLAN ID, Azure ASN, and peer ASN are correctly configured on MSEE and link on-premises routers. If using MD5 hashing, the shared key should be identical on both ends. Next, you should verify address resolution protocol details. ARP maps IP addresses to MAC addresses and can confirm layer 2 connectivity. Review the ARP table to ensure mappings are correct for your on-premises and ExpressRoute routers. If the ARP table isn't available for peering, it may indicate issues on Microsoft sites. In this case, open a support ticket with Microsoft support. Next, you validate layer 3 configurations. Check BGP sessions to confirm layer 3 connectivity between your on-premise network and Azure. You should use route summary and route tables to see which prefixes are advertised. And verify that data transfer is occurring by monitoring bytes in and bytes out. Next, utilize ExpressRoute monitoring tools. Use Network Insight for a detailed view of ExpressRoute topology, including peerings, connections, and gateways. This helps identify issues across the infrastructure. Metrics Explorer in Azure Monitor offers metrics like availability, throughput, packet drops, and gateway metrics. You can filter by ExpressRoute circuits or ExpressRoute ports for specific metrics in Azure Monitor. Lastly, if issues persist, open a support ticket with Microsoft. Provide specific details such as circuit configuration, routing tables, and the service key to assist with faster diagnosis. So overall, this approach will ensure that you cover all configuration and utilize Azure tools to diagnose and resolve connectivity issues on ExpressRoute.